Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize iPhone screen on iOS 18. Before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically you just want to, let's say, long hold on an app, and then you just click on edit home screen. And from there you can add apps, remove apps. If I click on the top left on edit, you can add widget, customize or edit pages. Let's say I want to add a widget, you just come here, click on whatever widget you want, then you click on add widget, and now it's added. You can customize it, make it dark, automatic, tinted, then you can change the color of it, make it larger or smaller. You can pretty much, that's what you can do. So also you can edit pages, you can delete them or add them, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.